Hey guys, it's me Rahul and today I'm back with another video, and today in this video I will show you guys how to open Task Manager in Windows. So there are a couple of ways to do it, so I will show you every single way pretty much. The first way is using your keyboard. So what you want to press is you have to press Ctrl Shift then Escape, all press at the same time, right? So it will open up Task Manager. It's a pretty simple keyboard shortcut. Or there is other shortcut as well, which is Ctrl Alt Delete, which was very famous, but then it will open up a Windows screen. Then from there you have to select Start Task Manager. But this is pretty simple. Ctrl Shift Escape and it opens up Task Manager pretty quickly. So the other way is from your taskbar, you can just right click on it and click on Task Manager. Then open up Task Manager. This is my favorite way to do it. And there is also what you can do is you can just search Task Manager in your start menu or the search, then you can open it up from here as well. So that's how you open up Task Manager on your Windows laptop or desktop or whatever it is. Thank you.